Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Stonehenge. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to the homepage right here from where we can get started. As you can see here, I have searched for Stonehenge and we are going to go ahead and be able to choose from any of the experiences we want to go and purchase the tickets for. Let's say this day trip right here. I'm going to open it up. It's going to look like this, after which we can click check availability. This is going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates that we can purchase the tickets for. So what we can do is go and select the date that suits us the best, let's say the 19th right here, and then you can select the time slot you want to purchase the tickets for. Once you have selected your time slot, you are going to see all the types of tickets you can get right here. Let's say one adult ticket for us, and click next to go to the next page. If you're not interested in the similar experiences, you can just click next to go to the personal details page, where we need to fill out our personal info such as our first name, last name, email address, and so on. Only once you have filled that out, we can go to the next payment page. So once you click next, it's going to open up this new payment method menu from where we can go and take a look at all the payment methods available to us to use for paying for the tickets. We have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever one suits you the most. So let's say debit and credit card is what we want to use. You're going to click on it and fill it out. So once you click the pay button and make the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for signing up your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go into the description of this video right now, open up the link, and get started getting your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.